Are Amber Rose and Wiz Khalifa expecting a baby? Well, we have the full rundown. Hi guys, happy Wednesday, and thanks so much for tuning in to Clever News. If a new report by Radar Online is accurate, it looks like Wiz Khalifa and his fiancée Amber Rose are expecting a child together. A source tells the site that it was an unexpected blessing and that they're excited to start their family together. Now, as you know, being a mom takes a lot of responsibility and maturity, and it sounds like Amber is already very committed. They're saying that she's quit smoking cigarettes and is cool with the idea of putting on weight, even though she's used to being a model who has a small waist. Now, another site is reporting that Amber is due sometime around January and that the couple may push their wedding up to October. They got engaged in April when 24-year-old Wiz proposed to 28-year-old Amber with a massive oval-shaped diamond ring. So tell me what you think about Wiz and Amber starting their family together, and let me know if you think they're gonna have a little boy or a little girl, and of course, what do you think the child should be named? Sound off below, and as always, keep it locked on Clever News by subscribing for more news on all your favorite celebrity couples. Also, you can hit me up on Facebook or Twitter by searching Clever News. I always write back to your messages, so send them away. In Hollywood, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm Deetra Behar, and I'll see you soon. Happy dance for the subscribe button and more news stories, because who doesn't want that? Right here, right here. Hit it up. You know, I love you guys. If you love me back, go ahead and click them. Love you.